Hello guys, as you can see, we have a quantum headlamp here. This is from Harbor Freight. It's LED. I'm gonna spin it around here. It's got your little power pack in the back. Okay, it takes 3 AAA batteries. 310 lumens, as you can see. It's got 1 large LED diode right here. Okay, this is again from Harbor Freight. It's spring cleaning time here in the Northeast. So we're going to test it out in the attic. I'm going to clean the HVAC system, and it's pretty dark up there, so we're going to give it a try. Okay, so first we're going to open this thing up. Harbor Freight has these, this is like a plasticky cardboard here, and it's wrapped in plastic. So you're going to need a knife to pop it open. And we're just going to do that. And if you can hear in the background, that's not me huffing and puffing. That's my pooch Yogi there, hanging out with us. So let's get this popped open. Here you go. Here's the headlamp. Again, you got your little battery pack. It takes 3 AAA batteries. It's nice and light. Got your power cord that runs to the lamp itself. Okay. The lamp does adjust. It spins clockwise and counterclockwise. And you can adjust the headband here. You can adjust the side and the top. Okay. It has a high power mode, a bright mode. Okay, it has a low mode and a strobe pattern. Okay, and all you do is once for high, once for low, and another time for strobe, and right. Oh, wait, there's more, as Billy Mays would say. Okay, forgot to mention that it does tilt. It's 2 clicks. 1, 2, 3, and all the way down. I mean, you'd have to be looking straight down for it to be down like that, but I just wanted to mention that it does tilt. And that's a good feature, especially if you're working on something tedious. And as you can see here, I did say it adjusts counterclockwise and clockwise. That is true, but you just need to pull in and pull out when you're doing that. Okay. So it'll do like a little bit of a flood and then more of a pinpoint light, like a straight beam there. Okay, so all right, as promised, let's go and try it in the attic. As you can see, it is pitch black up here. There is a light, but for purposes of the test, we're not going to use the light. Okay, as you can see, there's a vent down at the very end to the outside, and that's really the only light that's up here, but otherwise it's pitch black. So let's give this headlamp a test. All right, as you can see, it is bright. This thing is bright. All right, there we go. We're like focusing it in there. Not quite sure. That's a little too far. I don't know. There you go. That's the flood pattern. Okay, I'm gonna crawl my butt up here. Okay, now this has got to be the dumbest setup. You know, thank you, Train. This is my HVAC system, As you can see, it's definitely due to be changed, or cleaned rather, but this is bright. Okay, I'm going to do what I got to do up here, and we'll be back. Alrighty, I got the Train Clean Effects filtration system all cleaned out. As you can see, light's still working great. Again, you can do a little bit of a pinpoint there. Okay, I know a lot of you guys that are tuning in follow the Econoline Garage platform on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm just going to show you what this headlamp does. I know some of you guys might be curious because it might be a great tool to work on your van with. This is a 240 motor. It's in the 67 display van, the green bell telephone van. Any of you guys that own Econolines know there's not a lot of room to work between the sides of the doghouse and the sides of the engine block. This lamp, this headlamp, works great. I mean, there's no holding the drop light, there's no leaning a flashlight up against the plug wires, nothing. I mean, look at this. This is amazing. Again, this van needs a little bit of work. We've got some parts on order. We'll be doing an update on this. We changed the fuel pump out, but we're going to need to put a new carburetor on it. It was spewing fuel everywhere. So, okay, as you can see, like I said, this headlamp is great. It is daytime here, but I'll cover the headlamp up. It's dark in between the doghouse there somewhat. We got some light coming in from the bottom, but I mean, you can just zoom right in there and see what you're working on with this LED headlamp. Alrighty guys, just to conclude this review, this LED headlamp kicks ass. I mean, it really does. One thing that we didn't go over in the earlier video was there's a little tab here on the back battery pack. It pops right off, exposes the battery. It also gives you a little cushion on the back of your head. It's not digging into the back of your head. These three AAA batteries are included with the headlamp, and they're already installed. And to put this rubber back on, you do is snap it together there. And there's a little bit of a foam pad here on the top of the headlamp. Okay. All in all, this is great. This is very bright. No complaints whatsoever. I have the headlamp, the LED headlamp from Harbor Freight from years ago. It was about a 20 diode or so LED. It was had a blue head on it and I believe a black strap. I'm not quite sure whatever happened to that. It worked, but it wasn't any brighter than a halogen. And I've had halogen headlamps, other LED headlamps. This is right up there. There's absolutely no difference in this headlamp from some of the higher end name brands. I mean, this is great, especially for a homeowner, a do-it-yourselfer. There's nothing to complain about. It's great. I paid $10 for this, I believe. No complaints here. 2 thumbs up. As you can see, guys, I paid $10.39 with the 20% off coupon. I also had a coupon for a free magnet strip. That was a $3.99 value. That's going to go up in my toolbox to hang some tools on. I would encourage you to use your coupons. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and follow us at Econoline Garage. Thanks for watching.